Hello everyone, in this video I'll be doing a review of the new Maple Whiskey BBQ King from Burger King. So this is their new, I guess it's a limited time only burger, and it's maple whiskey barbecue sauce. And it comes with barbecue sauce, crunchy onions, bacon, a piece of cheese, and a patty. You can also get this in a double, but I got it in a single because there's a lot of calories in this. Their burgers are known for being pretty high in calories. There's also barbecue sauce on the bottom, the maple whiskey. So pretty cool. I think there's around 1,000 calories in this. And it's a big burger, so excited to try this one out. Yeah, it's really good. I like the little bit of crunchiness in the middle. Anytime a place has crunchy onions, it's always a good time. The barbecue sauce is pretty good. Doesn't really have any crazy different taste to it. It's pretty normal, but it's good. Got more of a maple flavor that time. And honestly, there's actually kind of like a hint of a like whiskey smoky kind of flavor to it. Honestly, really cool. I like that. That was much better in the first bite. Doesn't feel overly greasy. I bet a double would though, because it's a lot of sauce, cheese, bacon, and beef. That's pretty good. I'll have one bite from the middle, and I'll give my final review. Really saucy, that last bite. I think that sauce makes this burger really good, honestly. Usually barbecue sauce adds like a nice sweetness to it. It's kind of like smokier and goes with the way that Burger King grills their beef. So I honestly quite like this. Maple Whiskey Barbecue King from Burger King. I would give that an 8.5 out of 10. This is probably my favorite thing I've gotten from Burger King. It'd be kind of closer to a 9 if it wasn't like so kind of, I don't know, kind of greasier feeling. It's really big. I don't know if I'm gonna feel great after eating this. Big burger, but I find Burger King's burgers oftentimes make me feel a little bit weird. So, the burger is really flavorful. I like the barbecue taste to it, and it's got a good usage of crunchy onions. The bacon wasn't that crunchy, and I think it would be really great if the bacon was crunchy, but overall, really good burger. I recommend it. I think it's here for a limited time only, so you should get out there and try it before it's gone. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below. Check out my other review videos, and I'll see you in the next video.